bunnies, for today's video we are going to be talking about my faux locks, which are actually crochet braids. From the title of the video you'll see that we're going to be doing another installment of my quick tips for videos, and it's going to be quick tips for faux locks slash crochet braids and what they really don't tell you. I've literally had this hairstyle now for 4 weeks. I really need to wash and deep condition my hair. I've never gone this long without washing my hair since forever. Like since I started my healthy hair journey, haven't gone this long without washing my hair, and it's driving me crazy. I did my faux locks slash crochet braids. I did the front, like 2 rows of the front right here in individual braids, and then everything in the back is crocheted in. The brand of hair that I use is Janet Collection, and this is their Mambo Organic Goddess Locks. It is 18 inches. It is super lightweight, and I am wearing 7 packs of this hair. Okay, it comes in a bunch of different colors. I'm wearing number 2, which is my natural hair color. Unless you've seen my prior videos and you realize that I bleached the ends of my hair, which we're gonna go into for another video. So yeah, but okay. With the individuals in the front, every tutorial I've ever seen where they do the individuals, right? They make it look so easy. Just do a little braid, no matter how thick or whatever, because my hair is text-laxed. First of all, let's put that out there. My hair is text-laxed, so when you braid my hair individually, it's pretty soft. So for the first week when I did mine, I kept having to retwist my hair like every couple hours because my hair kept poking out. What I discovered on my second week of this journey was that if I braided my hair with braiding hair, I used the Marley hair and then wrap that, the Marley hair is thicker, that will hold the lock better. I noticed they used like nail glue on the end. If you're braiding your hair with a Marley braid, braid past your natural hair, and when you wrap it, that is where you're gonna glue it if you decide to go with the glue method. Now the glue method for me was kind of messy, so I did it the first time before I braided my hair, and it caught my natural hair on the ends, and I almost cried. Like, it was very sad, atrocious, a very not good thing at all. I didn't like it. So I was happy when I discovered braiding past my natural hair, so that if I were to glue it, it wouldn't. You can still see right here is glued from when I tried to, whatever. Anyways, and then when you wrap it around the braided hair with the braiding hair extension, it gives you a tighter lock as well. Now again, mind you, this has been 3 weeks since I did that method, so it's a lot softer now than when I first did it. Definitely use edge control when you're doing the braiding. It makes your hair look so much neater. When I first did it, I used, I think, gel, and it wasn't that great. I used the Cream of Nature Extra Hold, the one that comes in the yellow container. That one held my hair so nicely. I am a 4C text-lax, 5 months post relaxer. May, the first week of May is gonna be my 6th month. Then I'm gonna text-lax again. Running out of breath. Hold on. Whew. You don't have to braid the back parts individually if you don't want to. For me, because I know I was never gonna wear my hair up, I didn't really do care about the back that much. So my nape is pretty much out. I'm not gonna show you because that is not cute, but it's pretty much out just so that I'm trying to like grow it out. Because you know how most people, how right here's in the back of them head, the kitchen part, they're just always picky. I'm trying to grow mine out so that when I, you know, wear it however I want to wear it, it doesn't look picky. You feel me? Okay, when it comes to the jewelry and the accessories, I have found that the only jewelry that works are the little cuffs like this, or strings, the little nylon type strings that you wrap around. They come in white and silver and black and gold and pink and green and all these gorgeous colors. I went with white and silver. I had gold before, but I don't know, for some reason, although I love seeing gold on dark, deep, rich chocolate girls, the silver just look, I love silver, so I feel like the silver looks better on me with all my accessories and all that good stuff. So I went to the silver in the, I think, the 2nd or 3rd week, one of those weeks, whichever week that was. I went silver from gold, and that's that. And then I have one white one here, and then like a couple silver ones in here. When you have your hair in this style, you want to keep your scalp moisturized. The braid spray that I use is the African Pride olive oil braid spray. It adds the moisture that I need. It makes my hair smell nice and fresh, especially if you're out in the elements where there's smoke and there's dust and this and da 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 da. That will help to keep your hair smelling good, okay? Please make sure you sleep with a sleep cap. I always sleep with my sleep cap. The last couple of nights I didn't, just to see what would happen, since you know it's my last week or whatever. And yeah, no, definitely sleep with your sleep cap. You can get them the big extra large jumbo ones from the supply store. Super easy, like everybody should have them right now. So go ahead and get yourself one. The longer you wear it, to me, the better it looks, because it looks more natural. But you will have these little fuzzies. The hair does not tangle. I mean, you know, it's synthetic, so you're gonna have a little bit of tangling going on, but nothing crazy. But you do get these little fuzzies here. See that? Can you see that? You get that, you know? And then the more you do that, the more comes out. So I like to do that, like, you know, every couple days or so, just to get all the excess extra hair out of it, so it doesn't look very bunganati, and it just has this nice flawless look. If you are looking for a protective style, I definitely recommend this one. It's very gentle, it's very lightweight, it doesn't weigh the head down, and it does have a nice look, a nice finish to it. Like, it hits me all the way to my waist. Oh, I do have one with beads on it. Here, this one here, and then what I did, I stopped it with one of the little silver cuffs so that it doesn't slide off. But I use black beads. You know, if you were in gold, I'd go with brown beads, but because I did silver, I want black beads. There's that one that has it on there. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them in the description bar, in the comment section below. You can tell I haven't done this in a while, right? Okay, if you feel like there's something that I should have mentioned that I didn't mention, go ahead and leave in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. Bye. Bunnies, so quick question. Do you want to film a Naked Sunday video with me? If yes, which I'm hoping the answer is yes, now is the perfect time to film with me. Click the link in the description bar below so you can get full access to the very first live taping of Naked Sunday. I'm gonna bring two of my favorite girlfriends. We are going to have an open bar, we're gonna have giveaways, we're gonna have pictures, and of course, we're going to be talking sex. Right? How fun is that? So if you want to be part of the very first filming of the, what am I going to call this? Naked Sunday full frontal, click the link in the description bar below for more info.